Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Christmas candy cane wreath. Yes, Christmas already. So if you want to see how I made this, then keep on watching. For this project, we're going to need a candy cane wreath form from Dollar Tree. This particular customer requested these colors. You can do whatever colors you want. So I have a roll of red, a roll of silver, and a roll of white, all from Dollar Tree. And I think this is from Craft Outlet last year, I want to say. You'll also need tinsel stems. I've chosen silver, doesn't matter what color. As always, rotary cutter, scissors, hot glue gun. If you want to put embellishments onto yours, you could put Christmas balls and like the little snowflakes that they do. So whatever you want can go on it. And then I have 3 different kinds of ribbon here, just to pull off of the green. So the top one is from Dollar Tree, and the bottom 2, I believe, are from Big Lots. Yes, and they were $3 each, and you get 18 feet in here. So let's get started. The way that we're going to make this wreath is with the curl method. That's what I always do for the candy cane wreaths that I make, and I've been making these for roughly 4 years now. They are a little trickier to fill up, but I found that the curl method makes them look the most full. So the way that we do the curl method is we take our roll of mesh and we cut a strip that's just long enough to roll. So you really don't need these to be very long. So this is about 4 inches long, and as you can see, it rolls just perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all of these rolls cut up because we will definitely need all of this mesh to cover this candy cane wreath. Alright, so I've gone ahead and switched my ribbon up just because I didn't feel like the burlap one really went with the theme of this wreath, or really the color scheme. And I eliminated that small little Dollar Tree one because as soon as I opened it up, I realized I literally had like 4 inches left in there. Oh, excuse me. So I just switched it up to this one. I think this was $1.99 from Christmas Tree Shop, so still we're not using very expensive things. So make your bundles in whatever pattern you want to make them. There's no right or wrong way to color code your bunches, I guess we'll say. So I'm gonna take silver, and I have this little piece here, and all I'm gonna do is roll it up with my finger so we have a curl. I'm gonna hold that between my fingers. I'm going to take a piece of red, and a piece of white, if I can get it. Oops, on the floor it goes. The dog's definitely gonna eat that. So I've layered it white, red, and then silver on top. And then on this piece, since it doesn't have any green in it, I'm going to take that little striped ribbon and I'm going to put that on top, and all I've done is find the center of that ribbon and scrunch it up. And take a pipe cleaner, go over the top. Here we go. Go over the top, pull this bunch up, and twist. The next one that I'm going to do, he keeps stealing my stepdaughter's little toy. He's behind me wreaking havoc in here. So I'm going to do white, green, silver. I know, it's a mess and it's hard to see, but this stuff sticks so bad. And I think for the ones with the green, I'll put the silver on the bottom and the white on the top, just so it's a different pattern. then the red, and then I'm going to take a piece of the red ribbon, find the center, scrunch it up, top the bundle off with that, and secure it with a pipe cleaner. So I have 2 different bundles here. I'm going to make 7 with this ribbon and 7 with this ribbon. There are 7 sections on that candy cane wreath, so we'll make 1 ribbon one for each section. And then so you need 7 with the striped ribbon, 7 with the red ribbon, and then you'll need 7 bunches with the green and 7 bunches with the red. So I'm going to go ahead and make all that. Okay, all the bunches are made, and I did go ahead and make, can you not do that? Make 7 of these as well. It's just red, silver, and green, because I looked back on my customer's form and she did not want a bow on this, so we needed to fill it a little more. So all I'm going to do is we're going to work with this a little bit differently than we would with a round one. So we're going to use these bars and these bars. We're not going to go up the center. We're going to go on the 2 outer sets. So whatever one you start with a different color on the other side. So as you can see, I have brought this around the 2 bars over here. And to start this one off, all I'm going to do, you can't see because my hand's in the way, is wrap that pipe cleaner around the outside bar, because there's nothing for it to hold on to over there to keep it from slipping off, on that side at least. So we have one secured on here, and then, so that's with red. I'm going to take one with green, and we'll go up that same bar, the exterior bar, and you don't have to wrap that outer pipe cleaner around again on this one. That was just to hold that first one onto the bottom securely. So there's the next one. And then I'll take, where are, a plain green one, and we'll come to the other side and use this other set over here, and we will, again, you can't see anything I'm doing with this new angle that I'm working at here, is wrap around the exterior bar once again and twist it. So this is what the back looks like so far. Then I'm going to take the one with the striped ribbon and go above the one that we just secured on. So we've got this going on at the bottom now. So I'm going to go all the way around this wreath, and I will let you know how many bunches I do end up using. There's no right or wrong way to put this on. Follow whatever pattern you want to follow. If you want to make the same color bunches the whole way around, if you want to do everything with ribbon, that's completely fine. Do what you want to do. We'll fill this up and we'll come back. Alright, I've secured 38 bundles onto this candy cane wreath form. And now we can start embellishing. So I'm going to get my hot glue gun heated up and let's start attaching ornaments. Trying to find a good angle to put this at is really not good, but I'm going to use this package of ornaments. This is from Dollar Tree. Can you see this? There we go. This package of ornaments from Dollar Tree. Obviously $1. They have these out already. These are the super mini Christmas ornaments. And I'm just going to shake some out here. And all I'm going to do is take one and I'm going to put glue right on this plastic part right here, and this is what's going to get tucked into the mesh. So tuck these anywhere you want to tuck them. There's no particular right or wrong way to do it. I'm gonna get another glue stick. You might end up having some sparse areas on your wreath, so that's really just where you want to stick these little Christmas balls to hide any imperfections that are on the wreath. So I'm going to continue attaching the Christmas balls, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the finished product. All right guys, here is the finished product. So we used 38 bundles altogether, if I remember what I said correctly. And everything on this wreath was from the Dollar Tree except the ribbon. But Dollar Tree does have their Christmas tree, not Christmas tree, but Christmas ribbon out already. So if you wanted to grab it from there, no problem. So, yeah, I hope you try one, and thanks for watching, guys.